there.
Hey everybody, in today's video we are here at the DMA, the Dallas Museum of Art. I'm here with Violet to check out some art. Have you ever been here before?
No.
Either have I, but we're here to see the Speechless Different by Design Museum, or exhibit rather. So let's get inside and be inspired.
Let's go.
I have never been here, I can't believe it. I've lived in Dallas this long and I've never seen this museum. Violet, what is this place called?
It's called Scroll Space.
Scroll Space. Let's go in here. Ooh. Oh. These scrolls were rolled up and placed in here.
Some are long and some are short. Like this one long, this one short.
So I have a friend named Ben, and he was one of the guys that rolled up a scroll, and we found it right there. That is it right there. Let's see if we can see his picture on the wall.
What does his hair look like?
No, it's gonna be hard to find him, I have a feeling. Where could Ben be? There he is, there's Ben.
You know, this isn't so abstract and it's something so out of reach. You know, it's us, it's together, we're communicating, we're talking, and we just happen to make one.
That takes kind of the moment to think about it, and you know, to just like experiencing it, and how this thing is actually working. I don't know.
What Earth would look like without the sun, without the moon.
So this is the Earth without the sun or moon?
No, I was just commenting on that.
Oh, it's open to interpretation.
It's called Sounds of the Earth.
Sounds of the Earth. Okay, you can hear them. Do you hear anything?
I'm hearing the sound of China. Really.
It's China.
This looks like a big city or something.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
This
It's pretty neat.
is a big city.
Hey, how you doing?
This gallery continues around.
Okay, what is this behind you here?
It's like a button actually operates those only when the
Oh.
last one they play it. That would be the last one right there.
Okay. Whoa, neato. This is fascinating. This is great. You can touch them. This is how they make the everlasting gobstopper on Willy Wonka. Is it comfortable? Oh yeah. This is the stuff that on Back to the Future, the futuristic hat material. It's inflating. You can kind of see inside there. It's inflating. It looks like a cat jungle gym inside there. Whoa. Pushing it around here. Whoa. I'm gonna push it. Push it. Whoa, whoa. Oh. Is it gonna blow up on us? This is somewhat comfortable. I can see watching TV, sitting in this. Control the vibration and the little water pool. Ooh. Cone heads. Be gentle. These spaces are for everyone to enjoy. Be curious. You're welcome to touch, move, look, and listen. Is that Braille? Ah, yes. And you know who that's for?
That's
for blind people, so they can understand what is happening. It's very nice of them to do that. Well, that was a little bit of that speechless exhibit. We're going to head on down to the Hoffman exhibit. I've been told it's pretty great.
Maybe a couple parts that are not appropriate for children.
Okay. That was different, huh? Never saw that before. Excellent. Let's stop by the gift shop and see what they got. Oh, I just love these. Look at these mobiles, are great. Awesome things to draw. Well, it's just a regular drawing pad.
But it said words on it, like a semi-truck racing a sports car. It goes around.
Gives you ideas.
Tiny things to draw.
It's a Picasso duck. That's quacktaculous. Well, that was the Speechless exhibit. What'd you think about it, Violet?
Good.
It was pretty good. I learned a lot. It was very hands-on. I really liked the Willy Wonka Everlasting Gobstopper machine. That was super cool. Anyway, we got to head on back. We're going to upload something cool to watch. If you like what you see, please subscribe and have the most rockin' day.